In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your AGI e-file reject in TurboTax. If your tax return was rejected because of your AGI, don't worry. This is a pretty common issue, and TurboTax has a built-in way to help you get back on track. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go so you can find the right guidance and continue the filing process with more confidence. Start by opening TurboTax and looking for the search option. This is the quickest way to get to the help topic you need without digging through menus. Go ahead and click on Search. Once the search box opens, type in AGI e-file rejected. Be sure to enter that phrase clearly so TurboTax can pull up the most relevant help results. AGI stands for Adjusted Gross Income, and this number is often used by the IRS to verify your identity when you e-file. If the number entered doesn't match what the IRS has on file, your return can get rejected, even if everything else looks correct. After you type that in, review the search results that appear. If you don't immediately see the full help content you need, click on See More. This will expand the available results and help you find the detailed TurboTax instructions related to AGI e-file rejections. From there, simply follow the instructions provided on the screen. TurboTax will guide you through the next steps based on your situation. In many cases, this involves confirming the AGI from your prior year tax return or using the option TurboTax recommends if the IRS records don't match what you entered. Take your time here and read each screen carefully because even a small mismatch can cause another rejection. As you go through the prompts, it's a good idea to have your prior year tax return nearby for reference. That can make it easier to verify the exact AGI value if TurboTax asks for it again. Also, make sure you're entering the amount exactly as requested, since accuracy matters during the e-file verification process. Once you've completed the on-screen instructions, continue through the filing steps and resubmit your return if prompted. If the issue was related to the AGI mismatch, following this help path should point you in the right direction and help you resolve it. That's it. This is a simple but effective way to fix an AGI e-file reject in TurboTax by using the built-in searches and support tools already available in the platform.